Hello everyone, hope you have your hair washed and got ready. So have your hair split them into two parts at the back section vertically and have ponytails on each of them, and have the top strip of it into multiple parts using rubber band and fold it 2 times, making a lovely bow tie. Then after that, with the remaining tail we have on that, have it go around the rubber band covering it and have it tied at the bottom. With the remaining tail we have at the bottom of it, have it split them into two and braid it. Another simple bow ties. Split your hair vertically into two sections as we did before and have the top part of the ponytail and separate it. Then have a rubber attach the top part of it and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Make the entire bottom section come to the front through it and scrunch it to the top, make it a bow tie design, and combine every hair together into a common ponytail. Stretch the bow tie for volume and have a little strip of ponytail from the top of it and have it go into the middle using a hair loop. Then leave the remaining hair as such by dropping a rubber band. Have the side section of the hair and have the top part of it split into two parts and have it braided with strips of hair going in between for it from the back section. You know how to braid it. Continue crossing the hair and have the strips of hair have in between and cross it. This is how you should braid it. Then braid as normal as you would do. Then fold the braid and roll it into a bun and have it go around the rubber band and secure with another one. Then after that, with the bottom section of the hair, have thinner braids. A bulbous ponytail. Make a ponytail and have a top part of it split into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Then move the braid to the top temporarily. Then with the remaining section of the ponytail we have a rubber attach the top part, create a loop and drop the tail into it. Bring the braid back, scrunch it to the top, making a bow tie design. Then secure it with the rubber band. Then release the braid from that point. Then have rubber bands attached in each part of the remaining ponytail and make it bulbous by stretching the middle part out. Now you have a bulbous ponytail. A braided ponytail. Have a ponytail and secure with a lovely hairband. Then split a ponytail into 4 equal parts and have 2 of them on each of your hands. Then braid it in a thicker manner. You know how to braid it. Continue crossing it apart from each other. Then after that, do the braiding in a thinner manner and secure the end with a rubber band. So this is how you should braid it. If you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairband in the middle of your braid if you want to decorate it even more further. Then also make a belt-like design in the bottom of it and secure with the rubber band. Have a side section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and have it braided with strips of hair going in between the braids gap and leave the front section as such. So once when you complete the braiding, have it secure with a rubber band making a ponytail, then braid it as normal as you would do later on. Then after that, secure the tip with another rubber band and leave the hair as such. Pair of bulbous braid. Split your hair from the top into 2 sections and have the right section on top of it a ponytail and drop it into its own loop, making a twisted band. Then grab another section of the hair right below that and do the same twisted band once again by grabbing the hair from the side and making it go on top of that. Then do the same twisted band at the bottom of your hair and make a ponytail and have a rubber attach top part and create a loop and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band and pinch out the hair on that. Continue doing it until you reach the end of the hair. Pitchfork braid. Split your hair at the back horizontally and vertically, then have the bottom section 2 ponytails and on the top section split them into 2 parts and have it braided 2 times. Drop the tail onto the respective ponytails we have. Thank you everyone.